In this video, we'll show you how to install GoodLock and GoodLock app modules on any Samsung Galaxy phone. That means even if you have a budget Samsung Galaxy phone, or even if GoodLock is not available in your region, this method works. So the easiest way to download GoodLock is from the Galaxy store itself. But if GoodLock doesn't appear here, what you need to do is open any web browser and then search for Badlock GitHub. So this will open this first link. Simply tap on it. So the name of the app is Badlock. Now if you scroll down, you'll see some screenshots of the app. Scroll all the way down and you'll see this Badlock latest version. Simply tap on latest and this will open the app link. Now scroll down again and download this badlock.apk file. Now once the APK file is downloaded, simply open it and then install or update the app. Now open it and you will see an interface like this. Now unfortunately you can't download modules directly from the app itself, but if you like a module that you want to download, you simply have to click on this install button next to it and it will divert you to this APK mirror website. Now here you simply need to scroll down to available downloads and then search for the version of the app that you want to download. So we are just going to download the latest one and then select this APK file and then choose download APK finally. Now simply wait for the module to be downloaded and then you can install it like any other APK. So the Edge Touch module is now installed, as you can see. So we are going to go back to the Badlock app and then look for the Edge Touch module that we just installed. So this is how it will appear and it will now give us the permission to set up the app. Now I already have installed a bunch of modules. So if I tap on this display assistant module, it will open. Similarly, if I tap on Home Up, it will open the Home Up module. It will also open the Keys Cafe module. So everything works. You can now launch and update these modules directly from the app itself. So this is the only alternative if GoodLock is not available for your model or your region. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.